In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an announcement channel on Discord. Whether you're running a community server, a gaming clan, or any group on Discord, having an announcement channel is essential for broadcasting important messages to your members effectively. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process of creating this pivotal channel on your server. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Discord. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in Discord's URL, or simply click on the Discord app if you have it installed on your device. This will bring you to the Discord login page, a gateway to all your Discord servers and channels. Once you're at the login page, the next step is to enter your email address. Make sure it's the email associated with your Discord account to avoid any login issues. After you've entered your email, the next field you'll encounter is for your password. Type in your password carefully. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so ensure that your caps lock is turned off unless necessary. After entering your credentials, look for the login button and give it a click. This should take you directly into the bustling world of Discord, with all your servers and conversations just a click away. If you encounter any issues logging in, double check your credentials, and if all else fails, the Forgot Your Password link is there to assist you. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Discord homepage. This is your dashboard showing you a list of the servers you're a part of and providing access to various settings and functionalities. From here, you're going to locate and select the server where you want to create the announcement channel. Clicking on your server icon will bring up all the channels you currently have. The next step involves a bit of navigation. Look for the server settings, which are usually found by clicking on the server name or drop down arrow next to it at the top of your channel list. Within these settings, you'll find the option to create channel. It's time to bring your announcement channel to life. Click on create channel and you'll be prompted to name your new channel. When naming your announcement channel, pick a name that's clear and straightforward, like announcements or updates. This makes it immediately clear to your members what the channel is for. After typing in your desired channel name, proceed to click on create channel once again to finalize its creation. And there you have it. You've just created an announcement channel on your Discord server. This channel will serve as the official hub for all important communications within your server. Remember, as the channel creator and server administrator, you have control over who can post in the announcement channel. It's recommended to limit posting permissions to admins or select roles to keep the channel focused and clutter-free. Creating an announcement channel on Discord is a fantastic way to ensure that your server members are always in the loop with the latest news and updates. It provides a centralized location for all your important messages, making it easier for members to stay informed without having to sift through other conversation threads. In conclusion, whether it's for sharing server rules, event notifications, or important community updates, an announcement channel is an indispensable part of any Discord server. By following the steps we've outlined today, you can set up your own announcement channel and enhance communication within your community. Remember to customize the channel settings to suit your server's needs and keep your announcements clear, concise, and engaging. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to make an announcement channel on Discord. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your Discord experience.